So today I'm filming an apartment tour. So here is these things that I created. The boards were from Walmart, they're 10 bucks, and then the paint I already had. And then if you go in here, this is from Salvation Army. I think it was like maybe $10 or $20, something around there. Right here is like my drop stuff. So I have like my work lanyard, my store keys, and my mail. Anything that like has to leave with me or something that I bring in, like mail, all goes in there. My keys. My couch is ripped up because of Lola. This side is not as bad as that side, so that side is covered with a blanket for that reason. The coffee table is from my mom. I don't know where she got it. I was gonna sand it down. I'll show you guys after, but there's actually gold detailing on it that I actually like, and it goes with everything in here. So a lot of girls on YouTube were doing, what is it, like a gallery wall, but I'm too broke to actually have art. So these are just vinyls, and they were like 2 bucks each. So at first it was just this much of the wall, and then I got another 6 more added. These two, so this one and this one, don't have anything in it. The plant is actually from, where is it? Michael's. This is like what this part looks like over here. I tried just keeping it pink. Over here, this also came from the same Salvation Army, but I've had this for years. This I actually painted gold, but I've been thinking about rubbing it off because the brown that's there actually goes with that brown and that brown. The baskets, that's what this actually is from when I worked at Forever 21. When the store was closing, I took some, so I've just got my stuff in there. And then I have this little like glass remote controller thing. You can use it for whatever you want, but that's what I use it for. The basket actually came from work. This actually has winter stuff in it. And then these 2 hats I just put here because I thought it might go with the whole flow of the room, you know. And then here, we've got my TV. And then my plant that Lola likes to eat because she's got issues. And then all of my movies. This door actually goes to my balcony, but it snowed outside, so I'm not going over there. Yeah, this is only half of my balcony. Okay, so now we're in my kitchen. My kitchen's not small, but I don't have much in it, so it's gonna be really quick to go through this. First is the kitty litter box. So originally this table was actually from my mom's house, and it was brown, but there was water stains all over it. So I actually put this peel and stick wallpaper on it. You'll see like the theme is mostly bees. These chairs aren't actually the chairs that came with it, obviously. I found them out by my mailboxes. It keeps going on the table, even though we have this issue every day. Get off the table. She knows I'm recording her. So this is my laundry room, my washer, my dryer, my laundry stuff. Brig. So this is where I put my white clothes, my washcloths, and my bags that I take shopping. And this thing on here is for Lola. That's her little toy that she plays with. She doesn't really play with it that much. This is my fridge. On top is my lunchbox for work, but obviously, since we're all not allowed to work in New York State unless you're essential, it's not being used. Oh, it is actually the next day, and I forgot that I didn't go over what my kitchen looks like. So, I've got my Keurig here. Anything like coffee related is here, and then the actual coffee is in there. All my mugs are in here. And then my stove, my Yankee Candle, all of this. Yeah, not much. So if you come over here, I've got my month of March, like things I have to do. I've got this clock, and then this is my at-home checklist, cleaning list. They're the bowls that I got for her. They're kind of like dog dishes too, if you have a smaller dog. But this I just filled and cleaned yesterday, and then this is for her other stuff, right, Lola? Over here, this is my entryway. I'll show you guys my room, my office, my bathroom in there, and then pictures. So this is like, I've had this for a while. This is just pictures of me and William, the one from Halloween when I was little. William got me this for Christmas 2 years ago. And then the speaker is from Target. It was 20 bucks. This is in my Instagram underneath home. It'll show how much it is. TJ Maxx and Marshalls and Home Goods has these all the time. For privacy, I flipped some things around. This jar is actually my 2020 memories, but so far we've been inside for almost all of it, so there is no memories there. So this is my bathroom. I have these little outdoor, I'm trying to like focus on these lights, but they're too small. I've got all my like medication and stuff behind here. And then my toothbrush and all this other stuff that I usually use. And then the only storage, I'm just gonna pan it real quick. So I've got this. So this is sand from Maine. I've got this, which is just Epsom salt. So that is from my aunt. And then one of my favorite perfumes is there. And then this is all my, I guess, necessary stuff. So my deodorant, I've got a chapstick in here. And then perfume, lotion, got some face masks in there. I've got my shower cap for when I don't want to wash my hair. My extra towels, so those are mostly just my hair towels. And then here are my actual towels and my robe. I've got my scale here, and then I've had this for a while. I also, don't ask me, I don't, TJ Maxx, maybe. I know the towels, these towels are from TJ Maxx, and I know that is from TJ Maxx. She was sitting here patiently waiting for me. Yes, I know. First walk in, you've got all of my shoes. That's not all of them, that's just a lot of them. And then this came from TJ Maxx, I believe. And then we've got my Christmas lights. So if you come over here, I've got my weights down there. All of my workout stuff is actually from Five Below. I've got my hair goods in this one and my makeup in this one. Here is my mirror. Hello. Yes. Then I've got that. And then this light. All of this. All my stuffed animals in there. I try and change her up so her outfit is changed, but I haven't had time in a while. And then Lola wants all of the attention yet again. What? Say hello. You're pretty. You're a pretty girl. Okay, thank you. My Michael Kors watches are in here. Thanks. Oh, how could you not love that face? Okay. Michael Kors, my Gucci, my Michael Kors, my Michael Kors, another Michael Kors, my Tim's. My sunglasses are here. And okay. Oof. Along with my other jewelry. So this is mostly just necklaces, and then I've got like one bracelet in there or something. My earrings are there. And we've got my desk here and my puzzle that I'm actually working on. These two hair ties are actually Lola's. She put them in her food dish, and I always find them in her food dish. So, to not get them confused with mine, I put tape on them. Yeah, your hair ties? Do you want to play with them? You want it? Yeah. And then this is my chair. I've actually had this since I was probably 5, maybe. I redid the actual seat part recently. This is actually from Five Below. She's like, no, don't close me. Okay, and here is all my winter coats, all my shoes. This is the stuff that I took to Plato's, or stuff that I have to take to H&M. And then in here, this is the stuff that I'm getting rid of but haven't taken yet. This is my art stuff, my Christmas tree. I have a baby Christmas tree back there. Wrapping paper, stuff like that. Blankets, pillows, winter coats. Yeah. So now the last room is actually my bedroom. As you can see, all of my rooms kind of have themes. So my living room is more boho. My theme for my kitchen is more of like yellow, and bees, more of like an all natural kind of look. And then my office is more of a like wood theme. And then in here, it is more of a vintage car, rock and roll kind of theme. So I'm gonna start showing you guys what this room looks like. So this is my shelves. This is like an overall view of my room. And then, yeah. So all of these pictures I printed out. She's attacking my feet. This is my nightstand. The light came from Target. This was a Christmas present. This, I think, was from TJ Maxx, to be honest. And then I just have all my, like, electric stuff and, like, stuff I need at night, you know? Or if I get bored, like, it's in here. In here, there's nothing really in here, to be honest. Sometimes I put snacks in there. And then you've got my bed. So, yeah. I don't know where this is from, but yeah. The picture is from At Home. I know that much. I know the comforter is probably, I think it's from Target. And it came with these two pillows. This one was from a different one. And this one was from TJ Maxx. I've got my anxiety blanket. And then I've got all of my other stuff. So lotion, hair ties, you know, other necessities. I have this. So this is from Target. It's just a letterboard. I put, if you're not first, you're last. And then it says Ricky Bobby, because I thought like Talladega Nights, like a car theme, would look good with this, and it'd make sense and cohesive. So I've got that. She keeps attacking me from underneath the bed. I'm gonna lose it. And here again is outside. There was so much snow on these trees, and now there's like none. Like, as of this morning, like there was snow on the trees, and now it's just gone. These. So actually, maybe I might go back and like here. So this is my closet. I've got my DKNY bag up there, and then my clothes. These are just mostly the stuff I don't want to fold because it'll get wrinkled. This one I have inside out. I know it looks weird, but I pinned it and I have to fix it because it's too big on me, so I gotta fix that one. But down here I have my belts, my socks, and my bathing suits, and then my skirts. My dresser, I've got my bras and underwear in here, so I'm not going to show y'all that, but I fold my clothes like this so I can see what shirt is which, and they're color organized. As you can see, I am not like other girls, because look at the amount of white and look at the amount of black, like not much. And then I've got my pants. All right. And then in here, come on, Lola. I've got my workout and PJs and all that stuff all mixed together because... So that's the end of my apartment tour. I guess what like YouTubers would say would be like and subscribe and like follow me on Instagram, I guess.